All right, check this out. This is a McLaren 765LT Spider. It is customized by McLaren Special Vehicles Operation, or MSO. And it's a beauty, starting with the paint job. I mean, that is kind of metallic teal, beautifully done. And instead of carbon fiber that you see down here, the owner just painted it black. So the McLaren's is all about function over form. This car is designed just for speed only. So these headlights here, it's also an air intake. And yeah, so check it out. Wow. Tasteful amounts of carbon fiber on the mirrors. Check out the MSO interior with the custom logo on the headrest. The matte carbon fiber on the center console, the matte carbon fiber on the steering wheel. Yeah, the Alcantara seats and Alcantara lining on the doors. There you see the intake that's down the side. Yeah, most supercars you see an air intake here, but in the case of McLaren, they want to maintain this nice clean look along the side. So this is where it sucks the air. There's like two door panels, two door skins. So convertible is tucked in. You can see the rear window can go down, so you can listen to the engine more. And even if you have to top up, you can still lower the window down so you can listen to the motor. Yeah. And check this out. At first, I thought this was a sticker, but it's not. This is actually a carbon fiber wing, and they painted the wing, but they left the MSO unpainted, so you can see the carbon fiber underneath. So that is really cool. And you can see that that's where the carbon fiber meets, so they line up perfectly. Yeah, I wonder how much that cost. That's gotta be quite a bit of money. And here we have the back, the titanium exhaust, 4 big pipes out the back. And you can get a good look at the mechanism that deploys the rear spoiler. Yeah, and this piece here is pretty cool. It squares off the rear end to reduce the drag, so the car can reach its top speed. McLaren orange calipers with carbon ceramic brakes. Yeah, just overall a beautiful car. Stunning. The 765LT is my favorite supercar. Yes, super fast, designed for one thing only, speed, and the fact that it's a convertible, well, it's perfect for California. So there you go. McLaren 765LT Spider.